Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Ayurveda, the best research. Today we will see Kvatakalpana.
Now I am going to introduce one of the important Panchavidya Kashaya Kalpana, that is a Kvata Kalpana. It is a third in the series of Panchavidya Kashaya Kalpana. In many of the second preparation drugs are used in Kashaya form itself. The term Kvata has been derived from the word Kvathim, which means to boil. Synonyms: Shruta Kata Kashayasya Nirhuva Sanigadyate. Shruta, Kashaya, Kvata, Nirhuva are the synonyms of Kvata Kalpana. Common name: in Kannada called as Kadhe or Kashaya, in Marathi and Hindi called as Kada or Kashaya, in English called as decoction or aqueous extraction. Definition of Kvata Kalpana: Vannitu Kathitam Dravyam Shrutamahu Chikitsika. The preparation obtained by boiling the drugs with water is called as Kashaya or Shruta. कंठस्य कषणात् प्रायोरोगाणां व अपि कर्षणात् कषाय शब्द प्रधान्यात् सर्वयोगेषु कल्पते. कंठस्य कषणात् means which causes discomfortness to the throat. प्रायोरोगाणां व अपि कर्षणात् means capable to cure disease, which causes discomfortness to the throat and capable to cure disease is known as Kashaya. General method of preparation: पानीय षोडशगुणं शून्ये द्रव्ये पलेशिपेत मुत्पात्र क्वाथयेत ग्राह्यम् अष्टम अंश अवेशितं तज्जलं पाययद्धि मानकोष्णं मुद्वग्री साधितम्. Kvata preparation is following: 1 phala, that is 48 grams of coarse powder of drug should be taken, added 16 parts of water in an earthen vessel, boiled in a mild fire, reduced up to 1/8 part, and liquid portion should be obtained, that is called as Kvata. Precaution: to prepare decoction, the following points have been noted. First, powder must be coarse. Why powder should be coarse? First reason, if the powder is too fine, it seeps into decoction through filter. Second reason, when powder is too fine, it settles highly at the bottom of the vessel. The water molecule fail to come in contact with each drug particle, thereby the decoction may not as concentrated as desired. Second, earthen or chemically inactive vessel such as stainless steel must be used. Boiling must be carried out on moderate heat because of intense heat may causes charring of herbs inside the vessel, slows transfer of herbal active principle into water required for maximum efficiency. Fourth, before boiling, drug must be well soaked. Fifth, while boiling, vessel must be kept open because of this will help in early and easy evaporation of water and make the process of boiling a lot quicker. Six, take care while filtering. Use a clean cloth to filter kashaya when it is still mildly hot. 7. Use it before 4 hours because if it is kept for a long time, then it is a may get spoiled. 8. Do not reheat kashaya once prepared, then kashaya should be reheated. These may spoil the active herbal principle in the kashaya. Types of Vata. In our classics, 3 types of decoction are explained, that is Mrudu Kashaya, Madhyama Kashaya or Kathina Kashaya. Mrudu Kashaya. Kashaya prepared from Mrudu Dravyas is called as Mrudu Kashaya. Mrudu Dravyas like Guduchi, Truna Panchamulas, etc. Coarse powder should be taken, added 4 parts of water, boiling and reduce up to 1/4 part. Madhyama Kashaya. Kashaya prepared from Kathina Dravyas is called as Madhyama Kashaya. Kathina Dravyas like Laghu Panchamula, Brahat Panchamula, etc. drug. Coarse powder should be taken, added 8 parts of water, boiling and reduce up to 1/4 part. Kathina Kashaya. Kashaya prepared from Atyanta Kathina Dravyas, that is called as Kathina Kashaya. Atyanta Kathina Dravyas like Daru Haridra, Devadaru, Rakta Chandana, etc. Coarse powder should be taken, added 16 parts of water, boiling and reduce up to 1/4 part. पाचनोद्दीपनश्च शोधन शमनस्तथा तर्पणः क्लेदन शोषक वात सप्तविधो स्मृत पाचनः शोधनीयश्च पादोरोष प्रशस्यते. According to Kashyapa Samhita, Kashaya are 7 in number, that is Pachana, Deepana, Shodhana, Shamana, Tarpana, Kledana and Shoshana. Among these, Pachana and Shodhana Kashaya are prepared by reducing water to 1/4 part, and other 4 Kashaya, that is Shamana, Tarpana, Kledana and Shoshana are prepared by reducing to 1/8 part. Shelf life of decoction is 24 hours. General dose Vatasya madhyama matra palamanam prakirtita. General dose is 1 phala, that is 48 ml. Time of administration of kashaya. Ahara rase paake sannijate. After the digestion of food, 6 am and 6 pm in empty stomach, 30 minutes before food. Best on disease administered even after food. Prakshepaka dravyas. Shita and Madhu. Shita in Vatavadi 1/4 part, in Pittavadi 1/8 part, in Kaphavadi 1/16 part. Madhu in Vatavadi 1/6 part, in Pittavadi 1/8 part, in Kafajavadi 1/4 part. Jiraka, Guggulu, Shara, Lavana, Shilajatu, Hingu, Trikatu must be added as a Prakshepaka dravyas at the rate of 1 shana, means 3 masya is equals to 3 grams. Milk, ghee, oil, cow urine, etc. Drava dravyas, jaggery, etc. kalka and powder must be added at 1 karsha, that is 12 grams pramana as a prakshepaka dravyas. Example: Punarnavastaka Vata, Maharasanadi Vata. Punarnavastaka Vata. Punarnava Nimba Patola Shunti Tikta Amruta Daru Abhaya Kashaha Sarvanga Shota Udarakasa Shula Shwasanitva Pandugada Nihati. Ingredients are Punarnava, Nimba, Patola, Shunti, Hirata Tikta, Amruta, Daru Harudha, Abhaya. Each should be taken in 1 part. Jala should be taken in 8 part. Preparation: Each drug should be taken in one part. Reduce all the crude drugs to coarse powder form. Soak them with sufficient quantity of water for 3 to 4 hours and then added 8 parts of water. Boil on moderate fire. Reduce up to 1/4 part. Filter and used with appropriate anupana. Dose 10 ml to 20 ml 3 times a day. Indication in सर्वांग श्रोथ, उदर, कास, शूल, श्वास, पांडु, महारासनादिक वात. Ingredients are rasana should be taken in द्विगुणभाग means 2 parts. धन्वयास, बल, एरंड, देवदारू, शती, पचा, पसा, नागर, पथ्या, चाव्य, मुस्ता, पुनर्नवा, गुरुची, रुद्रदारू, शतपुष्पा, गोश्क्रूर, अश्वगंधा, प्रतिविष, कृतमाला, शतावरी, कृष्ण, सहचार, धान्यक, बृहती, कंटकारी must be taken in equal quantity, but total quantity must be half to that of rasana. Jala should be taken 16 part to the total quantity of ingredient. Dose 50 to 30 ml 3 times per day. अनुपालन शुंठी चूर्ण, पिपली चूर्ण, गुग्गुलु चूर्ण, एरंड तैल. इंडिकेशन आमवात, गृध्रसी, श्लीपद, अपतानक, आध्मान, शुक्ररोग, मेढ्ररोग, गर्भाशयगत रोग, फॉर गर्भधारण. उपकल्पना ऑफ क्वातकल्पना are 6 in number. First षडंग पानीय, सेकंड उष्णोदक, थर्ड लाक्षारस, फोर्थ मांसरस, 5 प्रमाथ्य, 6 क्षीरपाक. General use of kashaya. Kashaya is an important dosage form used in the treatment of many diseases. It is used as ashtochana and parishekana dravyas in case of ophthalmic diseases. Decoction are used in the preparation of medicated oils and ghee, arishta, rasakriya, sharkara, etc. Decoction are used as bhavana dravyas. Decoction are used as anupanas. For a nirvobhastri, drugs are used in the form of decoction. Decoction are used for a vrana prakshatana. How is kashaya effective? Kashaya contains water-soluble active principle of the herbs. Most of the active principle of any herbs are water-soluble in nature. Hence, kashaya is one of the best way to enjoy maximum benefits out of herbs. Water-soluble components are readily absorbed from the intestine. Hence, kashaya are very swift in action. The freshly prepared kashaya will have medicinal herbs and active modes and bring about fast action. Stages of Kvartakalpana. It has bad taste. It should be taken in higher dose. Difficult to carry and major dose. Volatile spices such as clove cannot made into kashaya. It has very limited shelf life.
So this much is for today's video. For more details, please check the description box. If you have any doubts, then let us know in comment section. If you have got some knowledge, then please like this video, share those who wants to know about it, and at last, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.